Hi guys. Today I gotta look. Good morning, Philippines!
Maginaw na siya guys. And then maulan pa. Doble na ang ginaw. Grabe. Maulan na umaga guys. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Magluto tayo kasi nga yung umaga natin is sobrang maginaw. Luto tayo ng brown na itlog. Ang daming nagsasabi na native, organic itong ganito. And then, dahil sa iba't ibang klaseng opinion, nag-research ako. Ang sabi pa ng research is, nagkaganito daw ito dahil sa ama ng manok. Ano ko kung tama ba yung pagkaintindi ko, pero sabi pa ng research ko, ilagay ko dito guys, yung puti na itlog, may organic na puti. Okay? Pero, nagdepende daw yan. I don't know ha, wag nyo akong i-bash. Wag nyo akong i-bash. Depende daw yan sa ama ng manok. Kung sino yung nag-upa-upa. Kung sino yung pumatong. Kung ano yung klaseng hen na yun. Kung anong klaseng ama na yun. Puti or brown. Depende daw yun sa klase. So, iwan ko ha. Ang nagsasabi, organic. And then, may nagsasabing, basta, ang mostly sa nagsasabi ng comment section is organic. Swerte talaga ako dito sa sa coffee maker na yan. Ang dami kong nakukuhang coffee maker actually. Meron akong nabigyan, mga kilala ko. Tapos kung kinuha ko yung iba, kasi ang dami pa talaga. After nun, hindi na ako kumuha ng coffee maker. Yung nagda-dive ako guys, hindi na ako kumuha ng coffee maker. Kahit ang daming coffee maker, iba't ibang klaseng coffee maker. Yun, hindi ko na sila kinuha kasi nga, anong gagawin ko. And also, kung ipadala ko sa Pilipinas, alam nyo, ang mahal ng Pero ito, okay naman ito siya. Ang electric kasi guys, ang mahal ng electric, additional electric, lalo na pahirapan yung pagbayad ng electric sa Pinas. So, yan, malakas din yan sa electric, I think. Like rice cooker, I don't know. Inaisip ko, sana kinuha ko na lang yung iba, no? Kasi meron talaga akong nakikita ang coffee maker na hindi ko kinuha dahil nga sa dahil sa rason na yun na sino yung mabigyan ko kung ipadala sa Pilipinas, mahirap. Kasi yung coffee pods niya, ang mahal. Yung mga ganito, yung mga ganito guys, for sure mahal ito dyan sa Pinas. Mahal. And also guys, I don't know kung babalik pa ako sa dumpster diving. Let's see guys, hindi ko alam this coming kasi malapit ng December, di ba? Maraming tapon, maraming Pero, ang naano ko kasi, yung Bidbat and Beyond, doon talaga ako kumukuha. Doon ako nakakuha ng maraming mga pangbahay na gamit na itong mga kaldero ko dito iba galing doon. Ang daming mag-close na Bidbat and Beyond guys. As in, ang dami. So, malapit na talaga ang Thanksgiving guys kasi lumalabas na yung mga turkey. Sa Pilipinas pa ito ay kinakain na yan. Inuna naman ni Tami itong fireplace namin. Ay, sus, ginoo ko. Kaya pala inon. Andito, oh. Oh, gustong gusto. You're so lucky. You are very lucky. You're in Mama's couch. You are so lucky. Ay, lucky pala ito. Kaya inon ni Tami yan. Mahal ng gas ngayon, dong. Dong. Mahal ang gas, dong. Nagpainit ka, anong di na lang ka magtabon og habol? Ang swerte ninyo, ang daming habol, init. Habol is everywhere. This is it, pansit. Ang swerte-swerte ng mga alaga. Pinainitan ni Dada habang kami dito wala. Asan kami? Ako nagtatrabaho sa baba, naglilinis. Si Dada andun sa labas, nanigarilyo. And then kayong dalawa, tatlo. Kayo, may habol pa, magandang habol. Ano to? At itong isa, ang ganda ng upuan. Kusyon-kusyon pa ng pilo ginamit pa. Ngayon, maglalaban na naman ako dito doble. Kaloka itong buhay na ito. Tinulog-tulogan mo lang yung mama mo. What happened? Misty ka? Did Misty want to fireplace? You want your blanket in there too? You want your blanket? Do you wanna go out? So yun guys, meron tayong isang box dito guys. Impaki lang natin para maipadala din natin. For family po ito, para sana na lang talagang maabot ng Pasko. Anyway, so yun, ayusin ko lang po ito. Yun guys, I'm gonna have avocado. Mag-avocado lang tayo guys. Masabihin na naman yung, overpronunciation na naman itong isa. Avocado. Pag sure God, avocado. Avocado. Avocado, love. Where can you find an avocado? Can you see avocado?
That's the wrong word.
Yeah, but can you see it?
Avocado?
Okay guys, bye. See you later.
This snowblower that stopped working last year. And since we're in October already, the snow's coming. Be a good idea to get this running before the snow gets here. Even though we now have the snow plow, but you still need this anyway. So I'm going to be taking a look at what's going on in here. See, it just completely died. The engine just shut down and it just died. So we got to look into this. All right, first thing I can see is I will need to drain the oil out of it because it's a little dark. So we need to put fresh oil in it. So I'm going to do that first. You don't even see where the drain plug is for this. I suck it out with the vacuum. Because there should be a drain plug here. So I'm going to get the vacuum and do that. We'll get back to you. Okay, now we have the suction pump all hooked up. I can't even tell if you can see me on this camera. We're going to try and suck the old oil out so we can put fresh oil in. And you can see the black in the hose. And the camera's way over there, so you may not be able to see it. You can see the hose is black. That's the oil that's coming out. Okay guys, now we're going to add oil back in. And go from here. You gotta keep checking it because you don't want to add too much oil. And you can't check it right away because it has to settle. I got another rag, paper towel. Too much oil, but we got a lot out of there, so we don't want to not put enough in to blow the engine. Oh yeah, we haven't even come close. Worst case, if I put in too much, I'll have to suck some of that out. Now it's showing overflow, but it's not settled enough to know for sure. So we're going to wait, give it a couple of minutes, let it settle, we'll check it again. And if it's still showing overfull, then I'll suck some more out.
Where's your camera?
Oh, behind you. Take the picture in back here.
Oh. He's vlogging, guys. My husband is vlogging. You're vlogging? Okay, I will follow you with your vlog. He's trying, guys. He really is gonna go vlogging. So yun. I'm vlogging, he's vlogging.
The oil came out with black.
Huh? The oil is black? Really? That means it's dirty?
It's gotta be changed.
Okay.
I don't know how much oil
So
this
do
thing
you have
takes.
oil, new thing, oil?
Yeah. I gotta let it settle and see if I got enough in there or too much. If it's too much, I gotta suck some more out. I got the vacuum here somewhere. Right there.
Okay, it's really cold and I can feel the thing. This is a snow blower, guys, and he bought the plow, and then we have this. I don't know. Okay, explain why you have this too.
This I've had this for, I don't know, 15
I know, but
years,
but
whatever.
why you need two?
Well, because the plow can do driveways, but it can't do walkways and stuff. You know, certain areas you won't be able to do with a plow. Okay, so this is still showing overfull, so I'm gonna have to suck some out.
Really?
A good amount out. It's hard to see what you're doing. So we're gonna put this back on and we'll suck some of the new oil out.
Okay.
We got the snowblower running, we put it over there. We move the snowplow over here so we can get the car back in here. So we can move stuff.
You should put, probably when there's snow time, I think this is where you're gonna park. Because if there's snow every day, that means every day snow, that means you park here backing, everything should be here cleared up, and I will
do
park.
that and I can leave the plow attached to the truck.
Yeah, that's what I said.
It's just, if I leave it attached to the truck, I can still get it in, but then you can't get it in.
No,
the
that's
door.
why you
You
end
won't
up
be able to get it
using
in the
this.
door, so I don't want to do that.
So you're gonna end up using this thing,
That's fine.
and then I will park there when the snow come, not now. So yun, na-move na dyan. I still have to clean up here, guys. I'm not done yet. Like, at least it's not like before, like you can't walk anywhere. So right now you can walk. But
What we're doing really just setting up for the snow that we know is going to come. And by the time it comes, if you start dealing with it then, it's too late. So we want to make sure everything's working. Time for snow. So that's working. The impellers are working. The plow we already checked. We know it's good. So once they tell you it's going to snow, then I'll move the car. I'll hook it onto the plow, then I'll back it back in here with the plow attached to it, so it can just go right out.
yeah, that's the car we're talking about. My car can't handle this. Kami sa labas, galing kami nag-vlog siya, kung nakikita niyo yung vlog niya. Oh my God, kung ano yung ginawa niya doon. Meron akong basura, nasa bag na. So ngayon, hinukay niya yung basura, galit na galit ako. So nagalit ako, guys. Pero tumatawa na lang siya kasi alam niya he is ridiculous. So, tumatawa na lang siya dahil alam niya na kalukuhan na yung ginagawa niya. So, yun. Naluka na talaga sa Batman ito. Bumili kami kahapon ng pork doon sa grocery store. So, ngayon, minarinit ko kahapon. Look, ready to fight na. Ready to eat. Diba? Ready to eat, ready to fight. So, yun. Ipa-fry ko siya, guys, and then i-bake. So, yun yung ko. Iba-brown ko siya dito sa Ito yung oil, guys. Meron ako nakitang video, sinindi namin sa akin. Olive oil is not bad for you. It's healthy, actually. Pero yung ibang oil dyan, guys, mga canola oil, mga soybeans oil, something like that. Soybeans oil, something. It's toxic pala daw. Oh my God. Diba? Meron na yung nalalaman. So, yung mga tao na alam nila yung mga pinagagawa nila, sinishare nila sa online. So, kaya, yun, buti na lang nakita namin ni Tami. And, yun, buti na lang talagang ang gamit namin dito is olive oil. Alam nyo, sobrang mahal ng olive oil, pero walang choice kasi yun lang talaga yung olive oil, healthy na oil na pwede natin gamitin. Pero, alam nyo na, kung nasa Pilipinas, hindi natin afford yung mga olive oil na yun. Basta kay oil, ganun, mauna na siya. Mauna na siya, guys. Basta mauna na siya. So, ito na yung pork, guys. I-broil lang natin siya konti sa oven. Tapos na siyang na-fry, na-brown. Kain lang tayo. Ang sarap nito guys, as in, kapag talagang, ay nako, itong oyster talaga, no? Ang sarap talaga. Iwan ko, masarap talaga kapag oyster. Ito lang yung dinner namin, pork, and then arugula salad. Paborito ni Mr. Nagustuhan ko din. Nagustuhan din ni Mr. yung pork. O, diba? Kain po tayo. Salamat sa panonood, guys. Salamat sa time. As always, see you next time. Bye!